Hey, I'm so glad that you were able to come join me for school today. I've missed getting to be in the classroom with you. Let's look at today's board. Now, today is Monday, which means yesterday was what day? That's right, it was Sunday. And tomorrow will be what day of the week? You got it. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's look at today's date. Today is April 13th, 2020. Now, what number goes with April? What number month out of the year is it? That's right. It's a 4. Maybe you saw that sneaky 4 up there. It's a 4 because April is the 4th month of the year. Now, April 13th, 2020. Why do you think we put a comma in here? If we didn't put our comma, then our day of the month and our year would run together and it would say April 130, 2020. Now, does that sound like a good date? No, that would be silly. So if you're writing your date, April 13th, 2020, don't forget to add your comma. Now, today is the 147th day of school. Can you believe that? We've done 146 days and today is the 147th day of school. Now, which number out of these right here, 147th, which number is in the tens place? Think about it, in the tens place. Not in the ones, not in the hundreds, in the tens place. Did you say 4? Way to go! Which number's in the ones place? That's right, the 7. And which number is in the hundreds place? You're right, it's the 1 for 147. Way to go. Now let's look at our verse for the week. Our verse is found in Psalm 56:3. And we talked about how that Psalms is the longest book of the Bible. Now our verse today is in Psalms 56 verse 3. It says, "When I am afraid, I put my trust in you." Now let's think about that. The you in our verse right here is capitalized. Is that because you is somebody's name? No, that doesn't make sense. Somebody wouldn't be named you. Is it a place? No, that doesn't make sense either. So what else? Why do you think it would be capitalized? Did you say because it's God? I bet you're right, because this verse is talking about God. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. It's talking about putting our trust in God. Because when we're afraid, so when I am afraid, when you are afraid, all we have to do is put our trust in God. Now, does that mean He's going to make our life perfect? No. Sometimes we still have to go through hard things, but God loves us and He wants us to trust in Him because He cares for us even when things are scary or when things are hard. Now, every day, you and I are going to do something together. We're going to do an English challenge and a math challenge before we get going for our day. So is your brain ready? Are your hands warmed up? Let's do some finger push-ups together. You ready? Get your hands. Remember our finger push-ups? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Oh, good. Now that your hands are ready, let's think. And if you have a piece of paper and you want to write it down on your piece of paper and do it with me, you can do that. Let's look at it together, though. Our challenge sentence for the day says, "The brown puppy barked loudly." Now what we're going to do is we're going to see if you can find the noun, the verb, and then any adjectives and adverbs there might be in our sentence. So let's look. First, let's try to find our verb. Our verb is our action word, the word that shows action. The brown puppy barked loudly. Which one of these shows action and would be our verb? Did you spot it? I hope that you said barked. Barked would be our verb. I'm going to underline him twice. Oh, can't see my expo marker very well. There's 1 line, there's 2 lines. Barked loudly. Now, let's go back and try to find our noun. Our noun is a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. You got it. A person, place, or thing. So what would the person, place, or thing be in? The brown puppy barked loudly. Did you spot it? Oh, way to go. You're right. It's puppy. Let's underline puppy once if you wrote it down. If not, way to go if you got it right. Now let's see. Are there any adjectives in our sentence? An adjective, remember, describes a noun. So let's see. Are there any words that tell us more about the puppy? The brown puppy barked loudly. Did you spot it? It's brown. Way to go. I'm going to circle him. And remember, with adjectives, we draw a line and point to our noun. The brown puppy barked loudly. What kind of puppy? The brown one. Now, there's one more super sneaky adverb. Are you ready to spot it? Remember, our adverb tells us more about which thing? That's right, it tells us more about our verb. So let's see, are there any words that tell us how the puppy barked? The brown puppy barked. You got it, loudly. And it describes barked. So we'll draw our little line to barked because the brown puppy barked loudly. Way to go. Give yourself a pat on the back for getting that right. Good job. All right, now our math challenge. I think you're going to need a piece of paper for this one. You got your piece of paper ready? Copy your problem to look like mine, and then let's keep going together. All right, so do it on your own if you want to, if you're up for the challenge. If not, look and do this one with me, and then tomorrow do it on your own. All right, so 7 plus 9. Let's think about it. 7 plus 9 equals what? That's right, 16. So I put down my, you got it, I put down my 6. And I carry my 1. Whoops. Carry my 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. So our answer is 86. If you got that right, give yourself a round of applause. I'm so glad you're here for my morning video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!